So this is a story of 27-year-old gentleman who have male pattern hair loss level 4. From here, the point of the hairline to the mid scalp, there's no hair, so there's no density of hair around here. 7 cm up, where we put a point to frame the hairline to give him a good frame of the face. This is a close look to demonstrate that the hair is in the right density, the angle and direction. And this is the hairline with irregularity around here, and this is the forelock area, and this is the frontal temporal angle. For him, we did a donor density study, and his donor hair was very good, very high caliber, and the hair is very thick. The extraction was done with the transaction rate less than 5%. Can you share with us how exactly you managed to get such a good result in day 7?
Because I wanted to have the best result, so I followed the whole taking care of the graft protocols. Thank you, Gorgeous.